In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Metabase dashboard publicly. By the end, you'll know how to enable public sharing at the workspace level and then publish a specific dashboard with a shareable link, all while keeping best practices in mind. Start by opening your browser and searching for Metabase. Head to your Metabase login page and sign in to your instance. The interface might look slightly different depending on your version, but the options you need will be in the same general place. Once you're in, look to the top right for the gear icon. That's where the administrative controls live. Click it to open Admin Settings. You'll need admin permissions for this part. If you don't see admin settings, check with your workspace administrator. In Admin Settings, go to the Settings tab and choose Public Sharing. This section controls whether your Metabase instance allows anything to be shared publicly at all. Toggle Public Sharing to Enabled. Turning this on doesn't publish any content by itself. It simply allows dashboards, questions, or collections to be shared if you explicitly enable them later. As a quick reminder, public sharing creates links that don't require a login, so only enable it if your organization is comfortable with that level of access. With public sharing enabled at the instance level, navigate to the specific dashboard you want to share. Open that dashboard so you're looking at it in full view. In the top right of the dashboard, click the sharing icon, which looks like an arrow pointing up and to the right. This opens the sharing panel for the current dashboard. In this panel, turn on the toggle for Public Link. Metabase will immediately generate a unique URL for this dashboard. Copy that link and share it with your audience through email, chat, or on a web page. Anyone with the link will be able to view the dashboard without signing in, so make sure the dashboard doesn't include sensitive data. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same place and turn the toggle off to revoke access instantly. A few quick tips as you share. Consider applying filters and default values that keep the view scoped to only what viewers need. Remember that public dashboards reflect the latest data based on your sync and caching settings, so what people see may update over time. If you don't see the public link option on a dashboard, double-check that instance-wide public sharing is enabled and that you have permission to share that dashboard. That's it. You've enabled public sharing, turned on a public link for a specific dashboard, and copied the URL to distribute.